Eikhoi Masel ge Marakta Amaga Nungsinaraba Matamda Manipur Tangdu Leitaba Purakpa Ngamgani haina Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dekona Fongdokrai Wapamasing ase Mantri Pukri da Leiba New Secretariat Pangthokpa Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki Taret Suba State Level Media Fellowship Program Hokdokpagi Thoramda Minister of Fongdokibani Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki Minyang Makhada Directorate asige Media Resource Center na sinduna sahi khuding leptana satharakpa Climate Change Reporting ge Media Fellowship asi phanglaba singi manungda SKTV News ki Merina Oinam Yauri Thorom aduga mari lenana Forest Environment and Climate Change ki Minister in charge oiriba Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dekona hai Eikhoi ge akoibagi phibam da ahongba kya thengnaba amadi hakthenana thengnaba leire Madugi manungda aingba mafamsing sagalakpasisu amane asigumba ahongba kya si Eikhoina karamna mayoknagadage haibasi miyamna khangana bahonabada media gi thodang sawi haiki mahana makhata na hai Manipurda phajaba kaya pikthana lei mausa larebigi phajaba khudol kya thambiramlaba lamdamasida awatpa amadi leire awatpa dudi Eikhoi Masel Tangdu Leitana leiminanaba amadi madubu leiminaba haitabagum tawba sini adubu Tangdu Leitana leinabagi amata ngaiba pambaidi Nungsinaraba haibasina amata oigani haibasi Eikhoi Thajagadabani haina Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dekona Fongdokhi
People doesn't know how to live in peace. That is the only area where we are lacking. Today we have lots of problems, but we are worried for the solution. Lot of critical solutions people would come up with different ideas, but there is no solution at all. But it is very simple to solve this problem. If you say there is love, if you say there is no need of violence, no need of this, then one day in a moment it can go. Why not we? When we go to some other countries, some other places, we go very peacefully. People are so sober, people are so good. There is no problem. They also will have lots of social issues, but they forget. So today, beautiful place, beautiful state, beautiful people. God has blessed us so much. Therefore, it is the duty of everyone, and especially our media friends, our media house can play very important role to bring peace in our state.